Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be PR unboxing video, and today I'm going to share with you all the products that I received currently from different brands. I love watching videos like this, and I'm sure you enjoy them as well. I received currently a lot of new products from different brands, and I just wanted to share with you all the products that I received currently. Also guys, currently there is a lot of things going on, and I just wanted to make like a little disclaimer why I'm not posting more consistent. But I'm going to try to post more videos because there is so many like makeup tutorials and different videos that I wanted to do. But yeah, I just wanted to make this like little disclaimer why I'm not posting videos consistently, but I'm going to do a separate video about why I wasn't posting videos consistently. But I'm going to do a separate video about it. And yes, but for today guys, I just wanted to share with you all the products that I received currently. Yes guys, with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, the first box is from Fresh Beauty. I received a lot of skincare products currently from Fresh Beauty. I love their products, you know. Fresh Beauty is one of my favorite skincare brands, and I really enjoy their products. I love their face creams. This is my current favorite. I use this face cream every day. This is their Lotus Youth Preserve face cream. This is a really amazing and powerful face cream, face moisturizer, and it works really good. I feel like every time when I'm using this face cream, my skin looks glowy. It has lifting effect and I can see it. And it smells amazing. It's really fresh and it's really amazing. Like, I love it. And also my skin looks glowy, healthy, and I love it. I use this almost every day. Also, I love this one. This is their Lotus Youth Preserve Dream face cream, which is a night cream for recovering and rejuvenating the skin. This is amazing, smells amazing. This is like really luxurious, and it works amazing. I love them both, and they are really worth it, and you should try them. I love Fresh Beauty and their products. Also, I received their face cleanser. This is amazing. Like, this is one of the most gentle face cleansers that I've used ever, because this is really like gentle. It's really refreshing, and it's really moisturizing. I don't have the dry feeling, you know. Sometimes when you're washing your face is really dry after washing your face. This cleanser is not drying your skin, which is amazing. I love it. I use it every day. This is my current favorite, and I use this cleanser every day. Yes, I love this cleanser, and it's perfect for all skin types. Also, it's really gentle for removing makeup, and even for your eye makeup and for your face makeup. This is amazing, and this is my current favorite. You need this face cleanser. If you haven't tried this, you should. And yes, I love it, and thank you Fresh Beauty for sending me these amazing products. Thank you. Okay guys, next I received package from Lancome. These are their eyeshadow sticks. These eyeshadow sticks are really pigmented, like full coverage, and also they're like not smudging. They're waterproof, which is amazing. There is so many amazing shades you can see. I have few favorites that I'm really excited to try, and also they have sharpeners. You can sharpen the eyeshadow sticks, and I think you can create so many amazing like makeup looks with this eyeshadows, and they're really easy to use, and they're really pigmented. I really love them. And also there is like different shades like for every eyeshadow like makeup look, that for like every makeup look that you really want to create. And I really like these products. And yes guys, this is how they look like. You can see These are like really beautiful eyeshadows. You can use them, and also you can sharpen them with the sharpener they come with. And yes, you can see how beautiful and wearable are these colors. I'm really excited to try all of these products, and thank you Lancome for sending me these amazing products. Thank you. Next package was from Rimmel. I love their products. I've tried one of their lipsticks and one of their lip glosses in my current few videos. You can check the videos. Their lipsticks are really pigmented. They have sent me even more shades, and I'm so excited to try all of them. And also they have sent me eyebrow gels. These are pigmented eyebrow gels in these beautiful shades. This is my shade, and I'm really excited to try this in one of my new videos. Also they sent me their gel eyeliner, which I'm really excited to try. It comes with a brush and the gel liner. I have a similar eyeliner from Maybelline, and I'm really excited to try this and see if this is as good as the Maybelline one, because I love the Maybelline eyeliner. It's really pigmented and it's amazing. And yes, I'm really excited to try this product. Also they sent me their mascara and mascara primer. I'm really excited to try this because I've heard only amazing things about their like mascaras, and I'm really excited to try this in one of my new videos. And yes, thank you. More products from Rimmel. They have sent me their like eyeliners. They sent me their eyeliners in this navy blue and this beautiful white shimmery color. These two eyeliners are really interesting, and I'm so excited to try this. Also even more eyebrow gels. They have sent me a few more shades. This is like taupey shade. Yes, I'm so excited to try this. And also they have sent me their eyeshadow palettes. I'm really excited to see how they work. You can see there is so many beautiful amazing shades. Colorful. This is more like colorful eyeshadow palette, and this is more like neutral everyday, but there is still few interesting and beautiful colors that you can create beautiful amazing like makeup looks. And I'm so excited to try these eyeshadow palettes from Rimmel. And yes, thank you Rimmel for sending me these amazing products. I'm so excited to try all of these products, and yes, thank you. And yes, but my current favorite products from Rimmel are these lasting finish extreme lipsticks. These are amazing. These are really pigmented, and they're really long-lasting lipsticks. I love them. You can find them at like any drugstores, and they're really affordable. But the quality of their products is amazing. I love these lipsticks, and thank you for these products. They're amazing, and I highly recommend these products. Thank you. Okay guys, the next package is from Fresh Beauty. They have sent me their face mask. This is their Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask, which is infused with so many natural amazing oils and ingredients to make your skin look radiant. And this is amazing. I'm really loving this product. I am obsessed with this product. I used this already 2 times. It's giving me moisturized, glowy, plump skin, which is amazing. I love this, especially now for the winter time, and my skin is a little bit dry because of my eczema, and this mask is amazing. I love it. Also they sent me this instant perfecting mask, which is like moisturizing mask for smooth and soft skin. I haven't tried this one, but I'm really excited to try this one as well. Thank you. And also they have sent me my favorite like face mask from Fresh Beauty. This is their rose face mask, which I used already for years. This is actually the 3rd jar that I'm using. I'm obsessed with this. This is the most moisturizing, hydrating face mask. It plumps your skin without like feeling heavy or greasy, and this is amazing. This is lightweight, and it's just amazing, and it smells amazing. I'm really like obsessed with this face mask. Every time when I wanna when I want to plump and nourish my skin, this is amazing. And every time when I'm using these products, I actually forget that I use this product, and I'm like, why my skin looks so good. Like the color of my skin is more even and more smooth. My pores looks my pores look smaller, and my skin looks more hydrated and smooth. And then I'm like realizing that it's because of this face mask. This is really amazing, and I'm highly recommending this face mask. If you have dry skin and if you want something lightweight but also plumping and moisturizing, I'm recommending you to try this face mask. And yes, thank you. Okay guys, the next package is from Briogeo. They have sent me their natural 100% organic Australian tea tree oil, which is amazing. I used this already one time. I have eczema and I just wanted something natural which can help me with my eczema, and this is amazing. I mixed this with my shampoo. This is amazing. It works amazing with my eczema. My skin feels more smooth. My skin feels so, this is really soothing, and this is amazing. I am highly recommending you this product. This is really worth it, and I'm recommending it if you have eczema. This is really amazing, and also this is natural, and I'm really loving this product, and I highly recommend this product. And yes, also they have sent me their Briogeo 100% natural deodorant, which is also with tea tree and eucalyptus. It's a clean deodorant, and it has only natural ingredients, and also it smells amazing and very sweet, but in the same time really fresh. I love this as well, and I'm really excited to use this products. And okay, thank you Briogeo for sending me these amazing products. Okay guys, the next package is from Pixie Beauty. I received a lot of new products from their new collections with different influencers. These lip glosses, which is from their collections with Chloe Morello. Also they have collabed with Miriam, and they have like glitter liquid eyeshadow, liquid lipsticks. Also they have collabed with Head to Toe, and I already loved these lip glosses from the collab with Pixie and Chloe Morello, but these are 3 new shades, and I'm really excited to try these lip glosses because I already loved the first lip gloss. I still have it and I still use it sometimes, and yes, I like this product. So this liquid eyeshadow, this is really amazing. This looks so beautiful. And the liquid lipsticks, this is the Pixie Beauty and Miriam collection, and these products are amazing. Also this eyeshadow palette, which is really wearable and beautiful warm shades, perfect for the winter time, and this is from their collection, and I like these colors. You can create so many beautiful warm eyeshadow looks, and yes, I love this eyeshadow palette. Thank you. Okay, and the last product from this collection is their collection with Rachel Loves and Pixie Beauty. They created this beautiful palette. You can see how beautiful are all these shades. I received this highlighter palette, and I'm so excited to try this highlighter. You can see I received this palette, and one of the shades was broken. This is how I received the palette, but I'm really excited to try this highlighter and also these highlighters. You can also use this as an eyeshadow probably, but I'm really excited to try this highlighter because I've seen it looks amazing, and the formula is really creamy, and probably I'm going to use in one of my new videos or for my makeup looks. And yes, I'm really excited for this highlighter palette. I love highlighters, and I think this highlighter palette is perfect for every skin tone. You can see there is different shades, and yes, I'm really excited to try this palette. And yes, thank you Pixie Beauty for sending me all of these amazing products. Thank you. Also guys, I received a new package from Ardell Beauty. I love their eyelashes. They have sent me these beautiful eyelashes. These are their mega volume eyelashes in the style 253, and also their mega volume eyelashes in the style 252. too. I used this in one of my previous videos. They look amazing. They're really beautiful, really voluminous, and they make every makeup look so much better. I love Ardell Beauty, and I use their also eyelash glue for applying my eyelashes. They sent me their clear eyelash glue, which is amazing, and also these eyelashes. And yes, thank you Ardell Beauty for sending me these amazing eyelashes. Thank you. Okay guys, these were all the products that I received from Fresh Beauty, Ardell, Rimmel, Briogeo, Pixie Beauty. Also, I'm really excited to try this eyeshadow, this highlighter palette. Also, I'm excited to try all the products from Fresh Beauty and also Pixie Beauty. And yes guys, these were all the products that I wanted to share with you today. These were all the products that I received currently from all these amazing brands. And yes guys, this is everything for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, subscribe if you are not already, and love you. See you in my next video. Bye.